I think the D4 is really a breakthrough camera for guys like me because it's in one form factor. It does all the things that I need it to do, both as a still camera, but more importantly to me is as a video camera. I can monitor sound real time through headset and on the LCD. I can shoot at variable frame rates, 24, 30, 50, and 60 frames per second. I have full HD video out, HDMI, and it's a rugged, durable camera. I mean, these are the things that I really need as a filmmaker to go out with a small production crew or alone to tell stories in a visual format.
You said to me that you work as a photojournalist.
You know, I grew up as a photojournalist. My roots are really in photojournalism and telling stories through still photos. And so when the D90 rolled out 3.5 years ago, I had a huge smile because it was kind of this breakthrough. It was this idea that, wow, now we can, using the same tools that I was so accustomed to, a DSLR, I could tell stories with motion as well as still photography as well as sound. And boy, look at the evolution in just 3.5 or 4 years from the D90 to the D4, two different worlds.
What's the biggest leap in your opinion?
I think, you mean to the D4, the biggest leap? You know, I think that the biggest jump forward with the D4 is that it's a full frame sensor, shoots slow-mo, and we can monitor sound. That's big. I mean, it means it's all in one. We have all of the tools that we need. We no longer need an external recording device to record sound. That's big. We can do slow-mo. That's big. And we have that full HD video, HDMI out. That's also fantastic for monitoring the camera when you have it on a helicopter or whether it's on a slider or a long jib arm. So those allow us to push the limits creatively.
Do you think that a DSLR camera can replace a camcorder?
I'll tell you, I think the lines between conventional video cameras or camcorders and DSLRs continue to just get grayer. And I think the answer is yes. I think there's probably, you know, the camera 4 years from today, we think about the evolution from the D90 to the D4 today in just 4 short years. I think where we're going to be in another 4 years, who knows? But I think that delineation between categories is going to get, you know, the line is going to start getting erased even more in the sand.